Hi, this is Mike Wallach with Trimec, and I want to show you a tip about creating dimensions automatically as you sketch. So I'm going to start a new sketch on the front plane here, and I'm just going to draw a quick rectangle just to show the normal way we sketch and dimension objects. I just place this rectangle at whatever size I happen to create it at, and then go and add dimensions after the fact. Okay, the same process that we're all used to. Okay, now let's look at a couple of different options. Let me undo this. Okay, we're still in the sketch. Now I'm going to right click and turn on an option here from the toolbar. Right here, Sketch Numeric Input. Right now with this option on, as I sketch my rectangle, dimensions appear so I can enter the size for the rectangle immediately. Say 4 by 6. Just enter the numbers and hit enter. And I don't get dimensions created with the rectangle, but what I do get is it automatically sized to the size that I wanted. So this line, if I look down in the status bar, it says this is 4 inches, and this one is 6 inches. Okay, so, helpful, but it still doesn't have dimensions. It's not defined the way I want it to be. Okay, so let's undo that and look at another option. Now that option to enable numeric input is turned on and stays on unless I turn it back off again. Now you can also turn that on by going into Options, System Options, Sketch, and it's right here. And this is the one that I just turned off and on a moment ago through the toolbar. I'm going to turn that back on. And now I'm also going to turn on its sub option right here, Create Dimension Only When Value is Entered. And this is one of my favorite things in SOLIDWORKS. Now I start sketching the rectangle and I enter a value for the dimension. And it not only sizes the objects as I create them, but it creates the dimensions, so I don't have to come back and add the dimensions later. Now, let me undo that. I still have that option on. So now, say I don't want to automatically size it. Well, I don't have to. I can just click to place the geometry, just like any time before, and the behavior is what we would consider normal. So when I do create an object and I want a dimension, I can type in a number, and if I don't want a dimension, then I just click. And this can really speed up your sketching. I really like this option, and I pretty much always leave it on. Thank you, and have a good day.